Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check traffic conditions in Google Maps. Now, before I begin with the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is open up your Google Maps, and once you have opened it, you want to tap on this icon at the top, looks like layers, and then you want to click on traffic. And basically now you will be able to see the traffic conditions in Google Maps. The redder something is, that means the congestions are higher, there's more traffic, more people are driving in this area. If it's greener like this or yellower, the greener it is, the less traffic there is. The closest to the reds, it's more people. And as you can see, you have two shades of red, a darker one and lighter one. Dark one just means that the traffic is even worse than it is. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.